Welcome to Videos MASHUP ROYALE,
where we mash up and compile videos relating to psychology, self-development and improvement, motivation, love and relationships. Like this video if you found value, and also dislike if you didn't. And tell us why in the comment section so we can improve for you.
Human nature. Human nature is such that we fail to pick and dust ourselves up when we find ourselves in challenges. It takes only the focused and determined fellow to get out of his current problems. If you are not focused and determined, you will keep swaying from your opportunities and leave diamonds for others to pick up. Stay focused and don't look at others to walk your way. In life, don't ever expect to get back the same measure of treatment you have given to the same people. The human nature tends to diminish love in marriage. It is your duty as lovers to make sure you keep the fire burning and nothing comes in between in a relationship. When you break somebody's heart, you're actually breaking your own heart because you will feel it more later. Do not forget different backgrounds and different beliefs. It will take both parties to agree to balance the issues they both face. Love is precious. If somebody trusts you with it, don't break that trust, because what goes around comes around. True love will take you for what you are. It doesn't need riches. The human nature is full of evil and they really don't want you to grow above them. Be watchful.
Hi, this is Priest George. Let me tell you something about human nature. When people see you making progress, becoming successful, becoming better than them, something in them arises and they try to stop you, to sabotage you, to keep you on the same level with them, because human nature will resist somebody becoming better than them. So learn to keep your plans private, learn to move in silence, learn to do your work in secret. Let your results speak for themselves. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Can the love you first had when you started a relationship last so long into marriage until death? Please leave your response in the comment section. There is always somebody else ready to go with you all the way, even from nothing. Sometimes a partner feels he or she is always at the receiving end. Wait until you see the other side. The human nature sometimes confuses you so much that you delay in making a decision and eventually lose everything. Have you ever found yourself in such a situation? Please leave a comment. Check out these human nature facts.
These are the limits of human nature. The lowest inner body temperature that humans can survive at is around 76 degrees Fahrenheit, and anything below this number will cause death. For most humans, the longest we can hold our breath is about 3 minutes, and after this point, you are putting your life in danger. The highest external temperature that humans can survive at actually varies from person to person, but the agreed upon number right now is about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. After just 10 minutes at 140 degrees Fahrenheit weather, most humans will begin to experience hyperthermia and die quickly thereafter. The amount of time it would take for you to die without drinking water varies depending on what temperature it is and what you are doing. If you're doing very strenuous exercise in a very hot environment, you could die within a few hours without drinking water. In cooler environments, most humans can survive up to about 3 or 4 days without water. Survive without food is about 35 to 45 days. And the longest time ever recorded without sleep is about 11 days.
You can achieve far more when you work together in a relationship. It takes two to tango. Your problems should remain your problems. Do not milk others for your selfish reasons. Sometimes we look away from the suitable persons or things in our lives and chase after the things we like or love, all that glitters and gold.
Walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try path on the right side? Put it up in your mind.
The human nature in the poor tends to be in a haste for harvest, having put in a small effort. But the rich will continue to nurse their ambition until it multiplies beyond imagination. This process will take time, but then you need to be patient in life.
When it comes to humans, I believe we often deal within the realm of paradox. We have a crippling want to know everything down to what makes each other grin, but will grow bored if the mystery unfolds before us. We wanted to know for a short time, but now that we do, who cares? We grow up with dreams in our minds, but don't believe we can do the smallest of tasks as simple as getting an A in the class. We wish to be known, but want to keep to ourselves. We want people around, but want to be left alone. And for a few of us, we find ourselves saying out loud, I want to go home, while sitting in the middle of it. We want to live and die in rage and passion, but live peaceful lives in a quiet fashion. The phrase, we want what we don't have, becomes apparent when we get what we want, but are unable to grasp why there's a sinking disappointment that's settled into the pits of our stomach. Will the desire to become a polar opposite ever settle within our species, or are we damned to always want what lays beyond our hand, but not within our reach?